Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. Just few minutes back I was talking to a client and there is something which I thought of sharing with you guys as well, which in lots of occasion I have personally dealt with whenever I deal a client, and this is something which is according to me very, you can say, important to be shared. When client called me and he was kind of giving me the details of his case, I started asking questions from him, and after some time he said, "Sir, I think you are skeptical about my case, and I don't think you are a good lawyer, or you are sure that you will win my case in the court." And this is something which I think this is pretty obvious when you start asking questions to somebody, and negative questions are also there, and there are chances that the party gets offended that why are you asking negative questions. These are the questions which will be asked by the opposite party or the prosecution in the court. As my counsel, why are you asking these kind of questions? So this happened to this client as well. Let me tell you, if a lawyer is asking you difficult questions, it means he is serious about your case. He is actually critically analyzing the factual position of your case, that whether this case will worth standing in the court, whether this case has a prima facie grounds, whether you will be able to win in the court or not, whether you have to file the case even in the court or not. So he is actually considering the factual position of your case, and this is not a wrong side, this is a good sign. So if a lawyer is asking you questions, it can be any kind of question, and he is asking you continuously, that means he is actually serious about your case. He wants to give you a kind of valuable knowledge, valuable advice. So do not think that if a lawyer is asking too many questions, he is skeptical about your case or he is not able to fight for you. He is, but he wants to know everything, every truth, so that he will contest your case to the best of his abilities. Keep this in mind.